The camera that I'm about to review and the camera that I'm using right now, it could be a possible competitor to DJI Osmo Action 3 or GoPro Hero 11. And it also comes at a much competitive, more economical price. The spring is here and you may want a new action camera. And here I am with SJCAM SJ10 dual screen. What's in the box? The camera with the frame bracket, waterproof case, the helmet bases with 3M sticker, lens protective cover, cleaning cloth, Type-C cable, SJCAM sticker with user manual. So the very first thing that you would want to know is whether this action camera takes a decent video. And right now I'm in 4K 30 frames per second in SJCAM SJ10 Pro dual screen. And yes, of course, today is a really bright sunny day, which is perfect for you to use any action camera. What do you think about the resolution? And to show you guys, there is of course 4K 60 frames per second. So let me quickly change that in the menu. While I'm shooting the video, the really awesome thing that I noticed is that yes, you can see what you're filming in the front screen in the selfie mode because it does have dual mode. And SJ10 Pro, what it does is that you can actually swap back and forth, so both screens are not turned on at the same time. You only use one screen at a time, and it's so easy to actually swap the screen by tapping twice in the big monitor at the back. And in the selfie screen, 1.3 inch is definitely sufficient for me to really see whether I'm in the frame or not. So I'm always in the frame. And the photo resolution is at 20 megapixel. And right now I'm right next to Rosemary Field and it smells amazing. When you touch it and smell the palm, it's just like as if I'm in the Mediterranean. So right now let's take some photos, and you can change the menu by just swapping and then it goes back to the previous menu that you used. In this case, I just changed from video to photo. And you can go into the extensive menu where you can see even menus such as car mode that allows looping video. But here let's try photo lapse, which means I can go completely hands-free and take photos in sequence. And now shall we try the slow motion, where the camera automatically processes the slowing down by 2 times, 4 times and 8 times. And I noticed that 2.33 inch back display, it really helps me to check all the videos, all the photos that I took, and it's very useful, very handy, because you can actually sort of scroll up and down in the video to really check whether you got the right shot or not. In the video lapse mode, I was able to get 4K auto-generated time-lapse video, beautiful clouds. And the thing is, I actually forgot to take the camera, and thank goodness the next morning I was able to find the camera in the same place, all intact, and survive the rain overnight. This in itself is 5 meters waterproof, and included in the box is this waterproof case. For divers out there, this is up to 30 meters waterproof. So let's go. Whee! It looks crystal clear under the water. And for anyone wondering how the performance is indoor, this is some of the shots with SJ10 Pro indoor in a pizzeria. Yummy! When you scroll the screen downwards, you can choose to lock the screen, which would be really handy if you go snorkeling. you can use SJ10 Pro as a live stream cam. You can do so by connecting the camera to your mobile phone via Wi-Fi. And then using the app, you have to log in through the app and open the access of your streaming software such as YouTube via your app. Last several days I had fun playing with SJ10 Pro dual screen. It was certainly very convenient to have this. It was certainly very useful to have the dual screen. And with 1300 mAh, which could last up to 80 minutes continuously shooting, although nobody would continuously shoot, right? So for me, one day I spent about 3 hours running around with this on and off, filming on and off, and it sort of lasted around 3 hours. And I could use up one battery, so if you want to play with SJ10 Pro dual screen for the whole day in your trip, then I think getting an extra battery might help. And for sound quality, I thought it was very good at picking up your voice. So this camera can be suitable for vlogging as well. So in this video, most of the footages that you see in outdoor, of course, it's taken with SJ10 Pro dual screen. So you can definitely see for yourselves whether it is suitable for your needs or not. And what I liked about it is that in the box, it actually came with waterproof casing and helmet bases, etc. A lot of things that you would need for vlogging. So if you want to find out more detail, then please do see the link down below for more information such as price, and I'll come back with other interesting reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!